Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know the lighting's a little off today because like we got sun coming in, and it's really weird in Washington State to have sun, but still. I know, been a little while since we take a look at our buddies over at Barker's Beards. Today we're going to take a look at the Southern Orchard Beard Oil. Guys, I got to tell you right off the bat, this thing's phenomenal. Also in this video, we're going to pop it up somewhere. I've got an exclusive discount code for you for Barker's Beards. I know, not an affiliate code, it's a discount code. But we'll get there in a moment. Now, for you guys familiar with Barker's Beards, skip ahead about a minute, 30 seconds. I think that's when we're going to get to the meat of everything. And for everyone new to the channel who's really unfamiliar with Barker's Beards, I love doing this in every product that I review. I give you a little background info about the company. You can find them over at www.barkersbeards.com. They are proudly made in the USA out of Troy, Tennessee. They really went live to the public with their web store and everything about November of 2018, and Caleb is the CEO. All right, look, I cannot say enough great things about Caleb Barker. He's a friend, he's a brother, and he is one hell of a frickin' maker. All right, I have loved everything that I have tried by Caleb. The only thing I've ever told him at times is up the scent profile, get the scent profile up. But still, he does amazing work at a really, really quality price. And you're going to see that in just a moment. Hey, you. I'm filming over here. Shoosh. Gotta love having kids on quarantine, right? But still, I found out all about Barker's Beards because of Bearded Motivation's live feed, The Hype. That's where I first ran into Caleb. I bought something and I've been hooked ever since. Now, as you can see, it comes in like a 1 ounce blue bottle with the eyedropper top. And that's, totally cool. I know some people prefer restrictors, some people prefer eyedroppers. I'm kind of right in the middle on both of those, to be honest. That's going to run you $12 on his web store. But, as Billy Mays likes to say, but wait, there's more. He offers incredible combination deals. Hold on, please. All right, I got that taken care of. But like I said, but wait, there's more. He offers incredible combination deals for just an incredible price. So you can get a 1 ounce oil and a 4 ounce butter on his web store for $20. Or you can substitute the butter for a balm. I believe those are 2 ounces. I don't know. I honestly haven't used balm in a very, very long time. But same price, $20. I mean, think about that. $20 to your door. And let's make it a little bit sweeter for you. All right, somewhere on this screen, I'm using new editing software, so I'm not exactly sure where it's going to end up. Here comes my discount code. It's going to be TCTBNL15. That's going to save you 15% off your purchase over at Barker's Beards. Seriously, even lower, even great price. And no, that is not an affiliate code whatsoever. It's an exclusive discount code that Caleb has generously given to you guys for watching this video and buying his product. Now I know you're going, okay, so what's the scent profile? And this is what gets me. This was his first one that ever sold out. From what I understand, he's got new runs in, so there we go. It's a citrusy cologne with a woodsy and floral undertone. All right, now I want you to think about this. Think about orange groves in bloom in Florida. That's what I'm saying. It is just something I had never really smelled in an oil before. I don't know how he does it, but it's that perfect blend of like citrus, wood, cologne, like 33.33. It just blends so well together. And yeah, I know you guys are going, hey, it smells different in bottle than in beard. It just smells so much better in beard than it does in the bottle. Seriously. Now, the scent strength, I give it like a medium profile because it's not a punch you in the face kind of citrus, but it's just beautifully sitting right there, and it stayed in my beard about 6 to 8 hours. It also really, and I maybe it's how he does his oils and whatnot, but it really made my beard feel really baby soft. When you're doing this, and you're like, oh, good beard day. Oh, yeah, right there. Now, for those of you who do care, all right, there's the coloration. It is got a golden tinge. No big deal. It's just how the carrier oils interact. And that's it coming out. I'd call it like medium bordering on lightweight, to be honest. It's not really runny, but it's not really thick, and it's not motor oil consistency, so, there you go. Now, the carrier oils in here are that wonderful blend that he uses of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, and fragrance oils. I also want to bring your attention to one really cool thing that I always like to point out on his product since he started doing it. Right there. Judges 16-17. Let me break that down for you. Yes, I know, Caleb, like I've said before, I actually had to look that one up at one point, but still. It's essentially saying if I cut my hair, I will lose all my powers. So I thought that was really cool that if I shave my beard, I've just lost everything. So, it's really funny that he put that there. Now, here's the fun part about like YouTube and doing these things, okay? If you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's got 3 incredible great uses for your beard. Seriously, it really does. Number 1, I've already mentioned it, it's really going to soften up your beard, okay? You really, truly don't want your better half getting really close, trying to burrow in next to you and have a cactus sitting right there. You will get denied real quick. Secondly, it's a great vitamin supplement for the skin underneath your beard. I know, you can't be on YouTube and look at a beard oil video without seeing another company going, "Hi, That's right, beard oil is not for your beard. Realistically, it's for your skin underneath your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils and healthy stuff to keep your beard growing out, long, luscious, beautiful, no split ends, just trust me, it's a great vitamin supplement. We're in quarantine, so take this little challenge. Go like 3 days without showering, okay? That's if your better half will allow you. This is going to end up greasy like you wouldn't even believe. This will end up dry, bird's nesty, and crackly, and you're going to want to rip it off your face. Your beard needs the nutrients, the supplements, just everything that beard oil can give it. And the third great use for beard oil is that scent profile. If you find one that works perfectly with you and your better half likes it, go to point 1, go to point 2. That's going to lead to some possible great interactions for you. Now, if you don't know how to use beard oil, totally cool. All right, that's why, like I said, we come to YouTube. All right, like I showed you, it's got the eyedropper top. You get whatever amount you need in that eyedropper top, and everybody uses a different amount. All right, great test is use the amount you think you need, work it in your beard, groom it all the way out, and then 30 minutes later, do this. If you have oil and residue on your hand, you've used way too much. I usually use about a quarter size. Work it in my hands, warm it up, and you're really going to smell that scent profile, and that's where it's really going to grab you. Work it in your beard, down to your skin, and groom it out. That's it. That's the easiest way to use it. There's some people who put the oil right on, let it run down, then work it in. I just love the in my hands and work it around method. That works best for me. Now, I'm also at the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know if you've used Barker's beards before. I've been hooked on them since I've had him, in my area and doing reviews on them. I really want to know, have you had successes? Have you had failures? Have you used Southern Orchard? Because, man, it just went poof, bye. Even Caleb was like, wow, that's the first time I've ever sold out of anything. So, obviously, he's got himself a hit there. Caleb, I love this product, brother. I love what you've done with it. I love how you're expanding. I love everything about it, man. And no, guys, I'm not being paid to say this. It's my genuine, honest feelings. I've got so much Barker stuff that I haven't shot reviews on that I feel bad, Caleb. But okay, we're going to wrap it up like that. So if you're first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know the world's gone topsy-turvy and we've all got a lot of time to do stuff, and I'm very grateful you're spending some of it with me. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? Let's be constructive and see if I can implement it in a future video. And after all that's done, take a look in that corner right there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in a little bit. Go ahead, click on the thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it, if you so choose. Here's why. It's going to be able to notify you every single time that my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. That's my quick as I can put it, breakdown on Barker's Beards, Southern Orchard Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are being safe and having an incredible day today.